लघुचेतसा
उदारचरितानं तु वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्
वसुदैव कुटुम्बकम्
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्.
Namaskar. The value of education lies in cultivating all the facilities of the student and making him fit for the eventualities and relations of life. 7th November 1938 was the beginning of the adventure in faith. Dr. Kanhaiyalal Maniklal Munshi, respectfully known as Kulapati Dr. K. M. Munshi, a visionary and a multifaceted personality, felt that freedom was no longer a challenge. He wished to bring about a cultural renaissance and thereby established Amar Bharat. Thus, the founding was based on the preservation and propagation of Bharatiya Sanskriti, that is, the Indian culture, and Sanskrit, the mother of all languages, which is the Akshay Patra, that is, the inexhaustible reservoir.
इंग्रजांविरुद्ध लढा देत असताना मुन्शीजींना अशी जाणीव झाली की आपल्या देशाच्या समृद्ध संस्कृतीची माहिती भारतीय समाजाला समजली पाहिजे. त्याचबरोबर त्यांना भारताच्या जनमानसात नीतिमूल्येही रुजवायची होती. या दोन्हीही उद्दिष्टांच्या पूर्तीसाठी त्यांनी भारतीय विद्याभवनची स्थापना केली. भारतीय विद्याभवनच्या माध्यमातून मूल्याधारित शिक्षण व समृद्ध भारतीय संस्कृतीचा संगम झाला.
With this sparkling fire of burning idealism in his heart and the blessings of Mahatma Gandhi, Munshiji founded the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan in Mumbai in 1938. He received cooperation of many eminent national leaders, which helped Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan flourish into a comprehensive all India intellectual, cultural and an educational movement. The main purpose of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is to provide a modern bridge to span the past, the present and the future, built on the strong foundation of the fundamental values of life. On the 7th of November 2020, Bhavans will be completing 82 successful years of imparting spiritual and ethical values virtually. Munshiji tried to hold fast the fundamental values for which our culture stands, that is, Rita, Satya, Yajna, Tapas. The Bhavans believes in the element of faith, self-discipline and dedication in all cultures, transcends all barriers and knits people together. Bhavans has embraced the ideal of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is, the world is one family.
सत्य, ऋत, यज्ञ आणि तपस वेदांनी सांगितलेली ही महत्त्वाची मूल्ये मानवी जीवनाचा उत्कर्ष साध्य करण्यासाठी अत्यावश्यक असणारी ही मूल्ये होत. भगवद्गीता सांगते, अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यादन्न संभवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्मसमुद्भवः. याचा गर्भितार्थ असा, ज्या नियमांवर सृष्टीचक्र आधारित असते त्यांना ऋत असे म्हणतात. पर्जन्यादी नैसर्गिक गोष्टी ऋत या संज्ञेमध्ये येतात. सृष्टीचक्र हे यज्ञावर आधारलेले आहे आणि यज्ञ म्हणजे माणसांच्या कर्मातून उत्पन्न झालेली गोष्ट. थोडक्यात माणसाने योग्य आचरण करणे, सत्य आचरण करणे महत्त्वाचे. यातूनच सतत सत्याचरणाच्या हविर्द्रव्यातून यज्ञ साकारतो. तो यज्ञ तसाच सुरू राहण्यासाठी सातत्याने सत्याचरण करणे हेच तप होय. त्या यज्ञामुळेच सृष्टीचक्र अबाधित राहते. सारांश, पर्जन्यादी सर्व गोष्टी व्यवस्थित नियमित असण्यासाठी माणसाचे वागणे हे सत्याधिष्ठित असायला हवे. त्यासाठी आवश्यक असणाऱ्या मूल्यांची सातत्याने धारणा करणे हे तप. या 4 महत्त्वाच्या मूल्यांवरच भवन्सची पायाभरणी झालेली दिसून येते.
The Bhavans stand for the integration of Indian culture, that is, faith in God who informs the cosmic order, truth which is a cord between mind, word, and deed, dedication which offers all movements of life as an offering to God, sublimation which purifies the body and mind and transmutes instincts, passions, and emotions into things of beauty. This, regardless of forms and doctrines, is dharma, the threefold aspects of which are Satyam, Shivam, and Sundaram, that is, truth, love, and beauty.
It is said that every great thing has a humble beginning. From the small beginning, with just a promise of monthly contribution of rupees 250 each for 1 year from 3 of Dr. Munshiji's friends and himself. By now, the Bhavan has 118 kendras and 367 educational institutions spread all over India, and also 7 overseas centers.
छोट्याशा रोपाच्या स्वरूपात सुरू झालेल्या भारतीय विद्याभवनचे आज एका विशाल वटवृक्षात रूपांतर झाले आहे. भारतीय विद्याभवनच्या प्रगतीतील महत्त्वपूर्ण टप्पे तुमच्यापर्यंत पोचवताना आम्हाला विलक्षण आनंद होत आहे. 7 नोव्हेंबर 1938 साली कुलपती मुन्शीजींनी भवनची पायाभरणी केली. 1 जून 1939 साली भवनने सहकारी शाळेत पहिला उपक्रम राबविला. 1 सप्टेंबर 1939 साली मुंगालाल गोयनका संशोधन मंदिर व मुंबादेवी संस्कृत पाठशाळा सुरू करण्यात आली. 14 सप्टेंबर 1940 साली कुलपती मुन्शीजींनी भवनच्या पहिल्या इमारतीची आधारशिला स्थापित केली. 1941 साली डॉक्टर एस. राधाकृष्णन यांनी अंधेरीत भवनची पहिली इमारत खुली केली.
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is a totally non-political institution with a faith in culture of our land, the Indian epics, and specially in the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's motto says, Ano Bhadra Kratavo Yantu Vishwataha. That is, let noble thoughts come to us from every side. Taken from Rigveda. Bhavan has a vibrant culture and lays stress on teaching moral values, human relationships, trust, sacrifice, optimism, and courage. This unpretentious endeavor was backed by Kulapati Munshiji's amazing pragmatism. Over the years, from being a modest endological research institution, it has steadily grown into a comprehensive, cooperative, non-political national movement with an international outlook. It seeks to inculcate a value-based life. In Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, value-based education is an approach to teaching that works with values. These values support the overall development of the child as a reflective learner within a calm, caring, happy, and purposeful atmosphere. It promotes ethical and spiritual values in every task that it undertakes. The purpose of the school is to impart instructions, but also to help the child unfold his or her hidden potentials and achieve excellence in every field of life. Bhavan stands for the integration of Indian culture. All the functions that take place in all its kendras invariably begin with the Sarva Dharma prayer.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते हरिः ओम्.
Bhavans have received many awards. Some of them are the Rajiv Gandhi Award for National Integration in 1992, Communal Harmony Award by the Government of India in 1999, and International Gandhi Peace Prize in 2002. Munshiji's Van Mahotsav scheme heralded the impulse for preserving ecology. Munshiji's vision was deep as it was vast. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, an initiative of Narendra Modi government, is also a step in the same direction. Such initiatives, if introduced early in a child's educational journey, would go a long way in laying a stronger foundation for a stable society, the benefits of which are bound to be enjoyed by the nation in future. Love, compassion, and gratitude are very important values in human life. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan strongly supports them. To inculcate these values in children, we at Paranspe Vidya Mandir are taking few initiatives. To name a few are: to express our gratitude towards trees, we are going to undertake the following project. In this project, we are going to combine Indian culture and conservation of nature.
भारतीय परंपरेत वृक्षांचं महत्त्व अनन्यसाधारण आहे. दैनंदिन जीवनात अनेक सणांच्या माध्यमातून हेच महत्त्व अधोरेखित करण्याचा प्रयत्न आपली संस्कृती सततच करत आली आहे. आपल्या संस्कृतीत नक्षत्राप्रमाणे आराध्य वृक्षही सांगितलेले आहेत. आपापल्या जन्मनक्षत्राप्रमाणे त्या वृक्षाची उपासना आणि जोपासना करणं हा त्यातील महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे. या संकल्पनेला धरून वृक्ष, त्यांविषयी कालिदासादींच्या वाङ्मयातील उल्लेख, त्याचा आयुर्वेदीय संबंध आणि मानवी जीवनावर होणारा परिणाम यांचा सर्वांगानं अभ्यास करणं आणि या प्रकल्पाद्वारे विद्यार्थ्यांना आंतरशाखीय म्हणजेच इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी अभ्यासाची सवय लावणं हा या प्रकल्पाचा मुख्य उद्देश आहे.
Second initiative taken by us is compassion towards our planet Mother Earth, celebrating festivals in an eco-friendly way. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce the usage of plastic, save water, best out of waste. Following traffic rules, compassion towards community helpers, respect and help them in best possible way. Bhavans believe that our country will soon be a knowledge hub of this century. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is the only comprehensive organization of its kind in India and perhaps the only one in the world. Bhavan's large and growing extended family continues to grow, believing in the Vedic ideal. Let noble thoughts come to us from every side. Ano Badraha Kratavo Yantu Vishwat.